Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix no sound on screen recording on iPhone. So if while recording your iPhone screen, now you discover that after recorded the screen completely, then perform all the necessary tasks as to why you want to record your iPhone screen. You click on dynamic island at top left, click on stop, and then you open the recorded video, and now you discover that there is no voice in it. You see that? So it produces no sound. Then here's a video for you. So in this video, I'll teach you how to fix no sound on iPhone screen recording. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, or the only thing you want to do when you want to fix no sound on screen recording on your iPhone, is swipe down the control center, locate the screen recording application or control, just press and hold it. Then once you press and hold, you should see everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. Enable Do Not Disturb to prevent unexpected notifications. Now, if you go ahead and click on Start Recording Straight, this is still going to record your iPhone screen without sound. Now, to fix this, locate microphone and turn on the microphone. The reason why your recorded screen produces no sound is because microphone was disabled. So you need to enable microphone on your iPhone to record voice or record sound. Then once you turn on microphone, come here and click on Start Recording. And then you should see the countdown. After the countdown, then you can start recording your iPhone screen. Then this is going to record your iPhone screen with sound, and then it's going to record the audio as well. Then once you're done, click on dynamic island again. That's the time dynamic island, and click on stop. Now, if you go ahead and open this particular audio, then you should see the recorded voice produces sound. Now, whatever action you take on your iPhone will be recorded. So you see that? So that is exactly how to fix no sound on iPhone screen recording. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.